In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set A4 paper size in printer settings here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring it up. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here. Once ready, please navigate directly to the left side and locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. So here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down on the list and proceed with printers and scanners, and eventually you would be able to see all of the printer device that is being installed here in your Windows. So all you need to do is you need to select the printer driver that you would like to set the A4 paper size with as the default. And once you have selected it, please navigate here to the printing preferences. So from here at the printing preferences, all you need to do is you need to proceed with main or either more options. Just select any of the two, and there you can see document size. So all you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow key and choose A4 or 210 by 297 mm. Okay? In that way, you would be able to set the A4 paper size as a document size here in printing settings. So once you're good, please click on OK. And in that way, when you check the printing preferences again, when you bring it up, okay, you can see that the document size has been set already or has been set into A4 from now on. So click on OK and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.